A blessed Wednesday to us. Talking about fruits, these are none other than good deeds. That's why when we are talking about fruits as deeds, they can either be good or bad. But in order to discipline ourselves, what is so important is to be able to not just discern or not just try to do it, but really give ourselves to the very way or the law or the manner that Jesus or the Lord is practically like a planter taking care of his plants. And the law is basically what matters in this particular way of understanding. The law is the one that guides us. The law is the one that waters the roots of our lives. And it is the law that also constantly reminds us of the many things that we need, we have to, and we must, and we should do. Now, in relation to the law that we're talking about in terms of this particular understanding of bearing good fruit, God has always a way of reminding people. In fact, today's first reading is the very narrative behind the understanding of why there is a so-called book of Deuteronomy. What Hilkiah the priest, what the people found in today's first reading, being the second book of the law, actually is where we get the name Deuteronomy. No? Deutero is second. Nomi is nomos from Greek law. So the discovery of the second book of the law is basically connected with the so-called Deuteronomistic perspective, especially in the Old Testament. And if we study scriptures, if we study the Old Testament, there are always two versions of the law, by the way, or the Ten Commandments. The one that we find in Exodus 20, and there is another version in the book of Deuteronomy chapter 5. Now, why is there a need of a second law? It's precisely because God never tires reminding us always. No? We always need to review. We always need to be reminded. And this is where we get the essence of what renewal is all about. Every now and then we need to be renewed. We need to be reminded. We need to refresh what we have learned. And this is very important in preparing ourselves for the so many things and issues that will be coming in our lives as Filipinos. That's the reason why every now and then we need to be reviewed. And in fact, connected with this is the greater challenge of what the government is trying to impose or trying to show regarding the issue on divorce. That already happened during the time of Jesus. But people just forget. And that's the reason why we need to be reminded. And the coming days will be a day that will be more challenging for us to really imbibe what is the teaching of the Lord about the sanctity of marriage. And this is a way of reviewing ourselves. This is a kind of an experience connected with Deuteronomy, where God never stops reminding us. And hopefully, we also heed, we also consider, even if there are so many conditions that we may consider be good or positive, but the essence of it all will never be changed. And this is something that we have to accept. And we have also to make decisions for the Lord, for His law, for His love for us. Amen.